Welcome to Ozo at Home. Let's get your robot up and running. Start by removing your robot from the storage box. On the back of the robot, you'll find the micro USB charging port. Use the included cable to charge your bot before getting started. Ready to code with color codes? Move the battery cutoff switch backwards to power on your robot. Place your bot on a line and watch it follow paths and read your color code commands. To stop your bot at any time, press the Go button on the left side. Ready to program with Ozobot Blockly? Turn the robot on the same way by moving the battery cutoff switch backwards. Press the Go button to stop the wheels before loading your program. You can load Blockly code two ways, using the included micro USB cable or by flash loading directly from your device's screen. Once your program is loaded, double press the Go button and your code is ready to run. Now you're ready to explore, create, and code with Ozo at home.